Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must be past early campaign gates and have access to an upgrade workbench. Once done, prioritize enemy types that drop the sawblade component and the launcher core. You need both. Make sure you also hold at least one upgrade kit and roughly 100 scrap so crafting won't stall. Start farming the correct rooms, focus on targeted spawns, and keep movement tight. This gets you the items you need to assemble the saw launcher. You now move to the workbench and open weapons, then launcher. Choose attach module and pick the sawblade entry. Once installed, the UI will show the trade-offs: greater close-range damage and altered reload behavior, so read the numbers. Apply one upgrade kit to lock the assembly, then exit and test firing on weaker targets. If the launcher feels off, return quickly. You can reopen the workbench to reassign the module before committing more resources. You finish by validating the saw launcher in a controlled encounter. Aim low and fire single shots, then shift to burst rhythm to learn recoil and blade behavior. If you notice misfires or weird projectile paths, stop and check ammo type and whether the module is seated correctly in the workbench. Reseating or swapping modules often fixes it. If problems persist, reclaim components at the workbench and recraft, and make sure to conserve scrap and an upgrade kit for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.